friends, in this video I'm talking about max and min. Okay, so max and min have to be a coordinate point. Okay, they have to be a coordinate point. So infinity or negative infinity, let's use arrow so I can tell the difference, will never be, you don't put those in coordinate points, okay? So for our purposes, max and mins have to be coordinate points, and they will not be infinity or negative infinity. They have to be turning points, okay? So they have to look something like this, something like this. It could even be a point like this, like a pointy, like absolute value. Oops. But it has to like switch directions, going from increasing to decreasing, decreasing to increasing, increasing to decreasing, decreasing to increasing, okay? It will never be infinity or negative infinity, okay? For our purposes, we want to understand that the coordinate points, or sorry, the max and min have to be a coordinate point, okay? Now, there are two different types. They're absolute or global, okay? One word, or I mean, it's a, not one word, sorry. Two words, but they mean the same thing, and it's just 1 point, okay? Or relative or local, okay? So absolute or global is like the truest point. I don't think there's an E in truest, but whatever. Oops. Okay, truest point. Meaning, if you have more than one turning point, okay, whichever one is actually the highest or whichever one is actually the lowest will be your absolute max or min, okay? And then relative is just the rest, okay? Relative and local are just the rest. So let me draw you a graph, okay? Let me start over. And just for time, I'm just gonna label these with letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so here we have a graph. And we have lots of turning points, okay? So I wanna look for the maximums first. So I'm just gonna list all the maximums, okay? So all the maximums are the ones that are open down, okay? So I know I'm gonna have A, I'm gonna have C, I'm gonna have E, and I'm gonna have G. Yes, this graph does go to infinity because this arrow right here. But remember, they have to be coordinate points, okay? And infinity is not a coordinate point. So A, C, E, and G. Well, which one is the absolute? Which one is the absolute? Well, it's gonna be the one that's actually the highest because I'm talking about maximum. So G is actually the highest, so this is gonna be my absolute or global, right? Those mean the same thing. Okay, which means the rest would be my relative or local. Okay, because they're still maximums, they're just not the highest, okay? But they're still turning points that face down. Okay, up here, let's do minimums. So minimums face up, right? Or open up. So we have B, we have D, we have F, and we have H. So which one is the absolute or global minimum? So which one is actually the lowest? Oh, that would be H. So this one right here is my absolute or global. Those mean the same thing, okay? Which means then the rest would be my local or relative. Because again, they're still minimums, but they're not the lowest. H is the lowest, so that's the absolute one.